So whenever you are talking about investing, we talk about many investment options which we discussed in this set of series as well. Now let's talk about 3 investment options and I'll give you some numbers. Tell me which one you will choose. Let's say I invest 1 lakh of rupees and after some point in time, this 1 lakh has become 2 lakhs. That means money has doubled. I have also invested this 1 lakh of rupees in some other investment instrument and that had become 1,50,000 rupees. Yet another instrument, I invested only 1 lakh, whereas you got only 1,10,000 including appreciation. Which one will you choose? Option A, 1 lakh going 2 lakhs. Option B, 1 lakh becoming 1,50,000. Option C, 1 lakh becoming 1,10,000. Typically, most of you will say the answer is first one, option A. Option A is what? 1 lakh becoming 2 lakhs. Generally, we make decision with half the amount of information. We should look at all kinds of information, whether it is inflation, whether it is absolute returns, whether it is CAGR, whether it is XIRR, whether it is IRR, what is the risk involved, what is the alpha generated, what are the upside ratio, what are the downside ratios. So there are so many things that you should look into while making investment decision. But with very limited point, what you are told is, you are told that you will go with option A. Now let me add that extra bit of information. What I am going to say is that 1 lakh of rupees has become 2 lakh of rupees in 8 years time. Whereas that 1 lakh of rupees has become 1,50,000 rupees in 4 years of time. Whereas that 1 lakh of rupees has become 1,10,000 in only 1 month's time. So which one will you choose? Now your answer will completely change. Because why the answer will completely change is 1 lakh becoming 1,10,000 in 1 month is much far better than 1 lakh of rupees has become 2 lakh of rupees in 8 years time. There is something called rule of 72 and if you apply that rule of 72 for doubling, so we said 1 lakh becoming 2 lakhs in 8 years of time, if you do that rule of 72, 72 divided by 8, you get only 9% per annum. Yes, rule of 72 says 72 divided by number of years will give you rate of interest. So 72 divided by 8 is equal to 9%. Now, whereas that 1 lakh becoming 1,10,000 in 1 month, has it happened? Absolutely yes. Can you give me some examples? For example, take the case of HPCL, Hindustan Petroleum Limited. Had you invested in their share on September, let's say September 1st week, exactly in October 1st week of 2025, the share has appreciated 16% in 1 month. So absolutely possible. For example, had you invested in Maruti share, Maruti car company share 1 month before the GST was changed and all, today, if you look at the price, it has gone up by 6% in the last 1 month. So is it possible? The answer is absolutely possible. So the second option that we talked about, 1 lakh becoming 1,50,000 rupees in 4 years of time, it will give you something like compounded annual growth rate of, I would say 10.67%. So when you make the decision, you should not look at 1 lakh becoming 2 lakhs or 1 lakh becoming 1,50,000 or 1 lakh becoming 1,10,000. What you should be looking at it is, what is the IRR? What is the CAGR? What is XIRR and all? We will be covering in future videos.